Zara time! Zara. I'm such a basic bitch, but I love it.
We keep on walking through fire, but we always get what's required. So many things we desire, but I only bring you a lighter, so we can add fuel to the flames. Keep on playing games. Oh, adding more fuel to the flames. I know I'm to blame.
What is up, amiga? Today is Monday. I'm currently at the central station waiting for the train because I'm going to Breda. I'm going to meet up with Deurys. It was her birthday a few weeks ago, like the first, was it the first? I think it was the 2nd or the 3rd of November was her birthday, and I still didn't get a chance to give her her little gift. So I have it here with me. We're currently waiting for the train, and I'll update you in a little bit. It's now a little bit later. I already made a intro on slow motion, so that wasn't good. But I'm here with Deurys, and we're in the center of Breda. We're now gonna go shopping a little bit, and I'm so excited to meet her. I got her her little present. Actually, you should check it out in the middle of the street. Yeah, okay. Just check it out.
You know where? I need a bench somewhere.
Okay, do it here. It's fine. Just
So
take it out.
I'm gonna do a haul.
Yeah, do a little haul.
A little haul. Anyways, guys, this is it.
Yeah.
It's
a little ratchet.
This is not sponsored.
No.
Every detail will be linked in the description box.
Yes. It's a little ratchet, I'm so sorry. But imagine it like with a cute bow on it and everything. Normally I'm extra like that. Should I hold it for you?
Yes, hold this for me.
Yeah. Just look at it. You don't need to open it.
These are the ones that you put the little sticks.
Nice, right? Ooh.
And actually, I need that.
That's so good. I love those because they like leave a nice little scent and a candle.
And I saw something else in
there.
there.
There are 2 other things. Nice.
You're such like a skincare queen.
I love that. So this is a body butter, and it's so good. It's my favorite. You should open it and smell it. See if you like it.
I'm a sucker for like creams.
So good. Right? And the matching shower
I'm gonna
gel.
be going to bed and going all over. One more minute. And this is like
It's the same. So it smells the same. But it's the shower gel.
This is shower gel.
Yeah.
Okay. But it's the same. Thank you, ma'am.
You're so welcome.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna really enjoy it.
Yes. Do that. And when you do that, think of me. It's a little bit weird, but
No, I will, of course.
Okay.
Because it was given to me with a lot of love, right?
Yes.
So I
Yes.
whenever I'm like, oh, Jennyfer, give you.
Aw. Look at her eyeshadow, guys. Like, so pretty.
It's the eyeliner. You're the one
that we bought together.
You picked it out
Sweet.
when we went
It
to
looks
Antwerp.
amazing.
When we went to Antwerp, she
Pick the color.
Yeah, and I was unsure. Remember, I was like, no, you were like, pick it. It's gonna look nice.
I knew it. See?
Because I wanted the other purple. You were like, no, pick this one.
Yeah, I love it. So pretty. I love it. I need to go get that when they're back open.
And the purple is really nice. You want to
Yeah.
go to Santa first, right?
Yeah. By the way, we're matching. We both are wearing like pearly headbands.
It was not intended.
No, not at all. Not
Pearls,
at all.
Pearls.
Yeah, and on the earrings too. So funny.
Yes.
See, you're my sister from
We are
another mister.
instinct.
Yes.
Shurenska's gonna get mad.
Oh, don't be. Come on.
Shurenskans who like it, they're gonna get
No,
mad.
don't get mad, sissies. I love y'all too, okay? Even though I didn't meet you yet, but It's not that serious.
Yeah.
I just love her too, okay? Can I? Please?
Just for a little bit.
Just for a little bit.
Just for a little bit.
Okay, shopping. By the way, I have lipstick all over my face because of that mask.
And
Like,
people pay for those lips, eh? So
oh,
it's fine.
it's absolutely fine. But don't mind that. If you see that, I'm sorry. It's just the world right now, okay? Okay. We need to come back here when everything is normal again. So cute.
Very cute. Yeah.
They have like banana breads and stuff. I always get like too excited when I'm with other people, and then I get like very bad at vlogging. Do you have that too?
All the time.
Yeah, so I
For my
forget to
birthday,
vlog.
I didn't vlog.
Oh.
I have like maybe like 3 minutes because I was just enjoying the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's fine too. I
But not,
think.
not literally 3 minutes, but it was not like a vlog.
Of
you know?
enough. Yeah. I have that all the
Yeah.
time, and then I just compile them into like days in my life
Because
because
it's not enough. Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, mi deja cosas tan lindas.
Oh, oh, choo-choo. Cutie.
When I get home, the first thing I want to do is rescue
Really?
a dog. Yeah.
Oh,
1 or 2. For sure.
cute. This is such a cute city. I love it. We're gonna go into this store now. It is the Hair Passion Cosmetics, and we're gonna go and get me a gel. I don't know if she needs anything, but I'm gonna go get something. Here you go. They have like literally everything. I think you've seen these products before, but they have Contour, they have Shea Moisture. It's so nice to have this, so that you don't have to go like to big cities and stuff to get what you need. So yeah.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
We are now at the Lumpia stand in Breda. I just ordered us some goodies. I just love Lumpia. Lumpia is actually like an egg roll, isn't it? Like, or no, spring roll. A spring roll. A spring roll. A spring roll. Vietnamese spring rolls. So, excited.
It's never ending. Can't give you what you need.
Look, they have little locks on the bridge. How cute is
It's
that?
getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself.
Oh, hey!
It's so nice.
Pantani. Hi. Mika, cover what?
But I feel like they're not familiar with that, so that's weird.
Huh?
Those people are not familiar.
Not
with that.
at all.
Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else.
We are at this cute little shop. I just bought some coffee and stuff for me and Benny. So I'll do a haul when I'm home, okay? I'm gonna show you what I got. So pretty. Hier gaan ons heen. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. The Baroness. Zara. I'm such a basic bitch, but I love it. Hey girl.
The minute that I saw you, I was gone. Ringing from my head into my bones. Baby, got me feeling like a toast. Damn, it's sunny, should've brought less clothes. I got a heavy one last time, take it off my mind. One last night for a last goodbye. I got a heavy one last time, one last night, one last night for a last goodbye. Man, I feel so damn weak when you text me, you got needs only I can satisfy. And I don't wanna be at your fingertips so weak, but I sold my heart, so guess it's on me.
Look at that. What is that? What is that, amiga? You know what time it is. Love me some H&M. Let's go. Yeah, so we're now at Deurys' little apartment, and it's such a pleasure to be here. She baked me banana bread. She is crazy, she didn't have to, but look at this. My camera keeps freezing. I don't know what is going on. It is way expensive to be doing that. But anyways, I'm now at Deurys' place. She baked me banana bread and now she's making hot cocoa. She is so cute. She just reminds me of my mom. Like my mom is like this. Because she had like a few things that are not vegan and she was like, yeah, take this home, try this. And I'm like, oh, that's so cute. That's exactly how my mom is. So that's so sweet. But yeah, we're now gonna chill a little bit. I'm not gonna vlog too much because I just also want to spend some time with her. And yeah, I'll catch up with you in a little bit.
What I'm gonna do is
Look at what Deurys made me. Everything is better with chocolate. Ooh. And she even warmed up the banana bread. I'm excited.
I am very excited.
So here we have my banana bread with coconut sauce, vegan. Like what? That and the hot cocoa. So this is gonna be very nice. All right, amiga, it's now time for me to head home. Deurys is over there putting on her shoes. But yeah, I'll catch up with you later, maybe when I get home or maybe tomorrow. But I just wanted to let you know that I'm heading out now.
Bye!
Bye! Make sure to go follow her as well. I'll leave her channel in the description box down below. And yeah, that's that. Good morning, amiga. Today is Wednesday. I'm currently in the process of getting ready because Benny and I are gonna shoot a few pictures since today is a very nice day outside. So the sun is shining, so it's a perfect day for Instagram pictures. So we're quickly gonna go like in my neighborhood here and like take a few pictures. And I'm gonna do something really simple. Good morning, thank you.
Good morning,
Benny brought me coffee. So yeah, for now I'm quickly gonna do like a little simple little glam.
This is as long as we go.
And makeup is done. I'll show you my outfit outside. Let's go.
No fui el primero, ni seré el último, pero sé que lo gozaré. Para serte sincero, un Dios el que te enseñó lo que puedes hacer con mi piel. Yeah, 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 yeah. Si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será. dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Solo yo sé de ese lunar, solo tú comes el pastel. Con estilo siempre te vas, pero te vienes con placer. Me dijiste no quiero nada, pero quieres todo, mujer. Baby, yo te hago soñar algo más rico que la miel, mi droga que te legalicen. No digamos el pecado, que hay cosas que no se dicen. Piel a piel tú y yo jugando, baby, ¿para qué te dices? Y tú solo dices que quieres más, que matemos la curiosidad. Eso hacemos, baby, si se nos da.
It's a wrap for this spot. Let's move on.
Toda esa curiosidad, baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad, aquí viviendo roce, estamos solitos, ellas son más de la.
Alright, amiga, we're back home. It was so much fun to be out of the house a little bit. We shot a few pictures, and Benny is now gonna put them on his computer so we can see them and retouch them so I can post one on Instagram. And I warmed up some of yesterday's leftovers. I'm gonna eat that while I edit my video. So amiga, I changed into something a little more comfortable and I was editing. I was supposed to keep track of time to take the bus to go to Casa because I want to go buy a few things for a Christmas tree since we're setting that up this weekend. And I totally lost track of time. And the bus is leaving in 4 minutes, so I'll be here for another like 15 minutes, I guess, and then take the next bus. Benny also left for work, by the way, so I'm home alone right now. I was trying to get this video up today, but I'm not quite sure if that's still gonna happen. We'll see, but I really want to go get those things today because I don't think I will have enough time tomorrow or on Friday. This is the first year that it's just different. It really feels different this year. We're gonna be home a lot, so I really want to make the best out of it. That's really what I want to do. It's the first year that I'm gonna do Vlogmas as well. So yeah, I really want to make it fun. And not just put a Christmas tree up and that be it, you know? So I'm really gonna try and find a few cute things to decorate and to make it really fun and cozy. Excited. Life is just what you make out of it, you know? You can be negative about the situation going on in the world and not being able to live your life as you would want, which I am sometimes too, but I also think it's important to just be positive and just make the best out of the situation. Got my mask on. I'm ready. So amiga, I've been back home. I've been back home for a little bit, and I must say that Casa was not a success. The website was very misleading because it said that it was open, but then when I got there, it was just for click and collect, which means that you can order everything online and you just pick it up. But that's not what the website said. So that's was a little bit annoying, but it's fine because I'm going to the Netherlands with my friend, and then I'll pick things up there. I just want like a few knickknacks for on the TV console and on our coffee table, just to tie it all in, you know? I just don't want just the tree and that be it, you know? I want like a few more things. So I'm gonna get that when I go to the Netherlands, it's fine. But I figured I would do like a little haul, and on Monday I also went to Breda to shop with my friend Deurys. I didn't get that much, and like most of the things were also, you know, a little bit granny-ish, but I thought I would share them with you anyways. And I also got a few things that Benny ordered online for me. So I figured like I would do like a little action and kruidvat haul, and also my shopping in Breda haul. So I think I'm just gonna start with the Breda haul. In Breda we went to this very fun, cute little coffee shop, and I got like coffee beans there. This is a Milano blend. I'm really curious to see how this is gonna be. And then we also got this December coffee from the same brand, which is coffee for Christmas coffee, especially for the Christmas months. By the way, I made myself a nice cup of tea. This is mint tea. You need to try this combination. Mint tea with honey, lemon, and ginger. Like, girl. It's a little bit hot, so I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit. But from that same shop, I also got these two coffee syrups. I got this white chocolate syrup and also this vanilla from Madagascar syrup. And I must say, the last 2 days, Benny made coffee for me. So yesterday, and I think the night that I came back from Breda. And apparently, I think he used this syrup because the coffee tasted so much different. And I was just like trying to figure it out. But Benny, I'm on to you. I know what you did. I bought them for you to use, so it's fine. But you could have just told me that it was vanilla syrup, boy. Okay. Then I also cheated on Jolie because there was this natural hair shop, and I got my Eco Styler gel because I'm halfway with my current one, so I figured I would get this one for backup. Then I also decided to try the Red One Aqua hair wax. Deurys actually recommended this one, and she really said that she was really happy with it, so I wanted to try it. And she also said that it smells really good. Let me try to smell it because why not? I have it now. We couldn't do it in the store because we didn't buy it. Ooh, girl, what? Ooh, this smells like Kool-Aid. Like what? Girl, I like that. I'm excited. I'm gonna try that tomorrow. Then I also got a deep treatment mask from Shea Moisture. Just this one with, I think, sea kelp and argan oil and raw shea butter. So, got that one. And I also got a hair dye in jet black. And then in Breda, I also went to H&M. I really wanted to go to H&M. I just found one thing, which is this jean blouse. I will link it. I will link in a little clip where I'm trying it on because I wore it yesterday. That was everything that I got in Breda. Then I'm gonna talk about the two things that I got online, which are both two Nike sweaters. This one is a yellow one. It's just a nice crew neck sweater in the color yellow. And then of course I also have to get a red one. Really cute, really simple. It's just red and says Nike here. I really like this, like with a, how do you say that? A blouse underneath, like a white one, and that you can see the color. I really like that. I got more candles. I saw these that also look like the Bath and Body Works candles, and this one is in the scent Fig and Romer. I don't know, but it smells delicious. It smells like fall, very spicy, cinnamony, I don't know, really nice. And I just think they look absolutely beautiful. Two things are these dishwashing sponges. Like, I don't know, I get really annoyed when I see like the sponges getting raggedy. I think that's really adulting for you. Then I got this Hydra Genius Aloe Vera water. This is kind of like a serum from L'Oreal. I looked nice, and I have one from L'Oreal right now that I'm using, and I'm really liking it, so I decided to give this one a try. I also picked up my other favorite serums. I got a Goji serum, the turmeric one, and a blueberry serum, because I really liked these the last time that I got them, and they're good, so rebought them. Then I also have this hyaluronic acid serum, and oh, a jade roller, by the way. I have a pink one, and I thought it would be aesthetic to also have the green one. Just not a good reason to buy it, but I really wanted it. And I got this Super Glow Elixir. It's also a serum. I love serums. I also got this hydrating foundation from Essence because I saw it online and I heard so many good things about it. So I wanted to try it for myself. I'm in the shade Warm Honeycomb. So it's not as dark as you would think. It's like that light. And yeah, I'll keep you posted if I like it or not. So then I got two of these hand wash refill thingies to fill up the bottles that I already have. And I got my favorite face wipes from Diadermin. I I got Benny his favorite body wash, which is the Palmolive Feel the Massage. Got it 2 times for him because he's obsessed with this stuff. I am too, by the way. It's really, you really feel fresh after showering with that. And this one is my favorite, also Benny's favorite, by the way. But it is the Therme Skin. Shit, I got a scrub instead of the shower wash. Oh, that's annoying. Anyways, I got a shower scrub apparently. And that is it for my little haul. Hope you like that. But yeah, wanted to share that with you. I'll check in with you in a little bit. Alright, amiga, I got my dinner. This is my pasta. It's a cheese pasta that Benny made for me. Yes, it's just a cheese pasta. Really, really good. And in the meantime, I'm also editing. And here I have my little setup with like candles, cozy nuts, some Raffaello. And yeah, just enjoying. Benny will be home any minute now, so yes.
You're full of confidence and cheap I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember while you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body.
Okay, amiga, today is a new day. I am getting ready to go to Rotterdam to go shopping with my friend Saloua and her sister Ilan. So I am in the process of getting ready. I already washed my hair. My hair is now up in this towel. It is drying. It's not good to dry curly hair in a towel, but I just don't want my hair to be dripping the whole time because I'm gonna pull it back in a bun. So I did like a few questionable things. I also put some questionable stuff in it, like the Cantu stuff. It's not really the best for my hair type. So if you have the same hair type as mine or similar to mine, then I don't recommend using that. But I needed some moisturizer in my hair since I'm gonna pull it back in a bun. It's not good to not have any products in it. So that is why I use that. And now I'm about to do like a little makeup, but I'm gonna time lapse that because I don't want to bore you. And I recently did like an everyday makeup routine on my channel, so I'll link that video right up here. But yeah, let's do my makeup.
Baby, it's a big dark world. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. I'll protect you with my lies. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. Just let me love you. 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 Just let me love you.
And makeup is done. I am now gonna do my hair, my dress. I'm now gonna move on to my hair and get dressed, and I'll check in with you in a little bit. I'm just so excited. I'm going Christmas shopping today. Like, wait up, you need to film my outfit. Alright, and we got makeup, hair, everything is done. I'm ready to go. Woo. And this is my outfit of the day. Really simple. An all black and oatmeal type of look. The jacket is from Zara. T-shirt H&M. Jeans Monkey. And shoes are Vans. All black Vans. I'm gonna drink my coffee and wait for my friend.
In that order.
In that order. Okay, we're driving. We're gonna pick up Saloua's sister, Ilham, and then we're off to Rotterdam. Ooh.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you.
We got a new passenger. Say hi, love. Okay, and now we're on our way to The Hague. We changed the plans because Rotterdam is crazy apparently, according to the news. So we're going to The Hague instead.
Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you. I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath.
We're in The Hague right now, almost there. Are we excited? Are we excited, so? Are you excited, Ilham? Now in The Hague, and we're now walking towards the center where we can shop. I'm so excited, and it's such a nice day. It's not that cold, so yeah.
Anywhere you want it, anywhere you want it, yeah. Anywhere you want it, this is me. Anywhere you want it, this is me. Tell me where you wanna go.
When will I ever be this bougie? When will this be my bed? I mean, come on. I love that. It's so chic. Makes me want to rethink my whole nightstand situation. amiga, I am back home. We decided to go to The Hague and I had the best time with Ilem and with Saloua. It's been a while since I saw them for the last time. I think the last time was the wedding. So it was so much fun to see them again. And we just literally had the best time. But of course, I shopped quite a bit. Like, look at that. I have a whole Primark bag. And I also have a bag from H&M. And let me take a little thumbnail. So yeah, I thought I would share with you what I got. I got things from multiple places. I got a lot of stuff at Bergdorf as well. So yeah, let me just share with you everything that I got. I'm gonna try to keep it a little speedy, but this is the first thing. This is from H&M. It is a vest, I think this is called. This is what it looks like. Maybe I should try it on and show you. But it's really nice in my favorite color, like an oatmeal creamy color. And I just wanted this for so long. And I finally saw it at H&M and I was like, okay, today you're coming home with me because I want you. Now I'm gonna do Bergdorf next. Because from Bergdorf I got 3 things. The first one is from Clinique. And it is their Take the Day Off Beauty Balm. It's to literally take off your makeup. And I love skincare. I love taking off my makeup. So I always wanted to try this because every YouTuber and their mama spoke about this. And I finally have it, so I'm gonna try it. Then next, I have 2 products from The Ordinary. The first one is the lactic acid. And I also got the hyaluronic acid. These 2. Hope you can see that. So excited for these 2. And then I also got a Mario Badescu rose water spray. I love this stuff and I'm happy that I was able to restock on it because I haven't used it in a while since like lockdown, you know, things were closed. So I wasn't able to get it. And then this one is super nicely packed, but it's something from Laura Mercier. Ooh, it smells good. It smells amazing. It is this little duo from Laura Mercier, the powder and the powder puff. And since it was Black Friday, you will get the powder. I got the powder puff for free. So yeah, translucent setting powder. Yes. I saw her spray something on the packaging and now I need to know what it is. Smells so good. She also gave me a little mascara from Laura Mercier to try. So that's pretty cute too. And next up is H&M Home. At H&M Home I got these little decorations for my Christmas tree. They were $14.99 and you get I think 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. No, you get 15 of these little pom-pom thingies. I thought they were so cute and I feel like my Christmas tree just needs a little bit more of decoration. So this will come in handy. And then I also got like these little gold forks. Adulting. I was so excited when I saw these and I needed to have them. We don't really have like little forks to eat like cake and stuff. We just have one and it's a silver one. So I figured I would get like a few. And we definitely didn't need this, but I thought they were so cute and I needed to get them. They are like golden spoons to drink or to like mix up your tea or your Christmas drinks, you know. Cute. Then the next one is Primark. There I got the most stuff. The first thing that I got, is this cozy hoodie. It is in a bathrobe material, a teddy material. It's super, super soft and I'm so excited to wear this. Then I also got this top. I recently got it in white and when I saw that they had a black version, I needed to get it. And then I got a pajama set, like two pajama sets actually. The first one is this beach one. It's just in a stripy material, really, really cute. As you can see, with a matching top. And I also got a second pajama set. This one was also so cute. It's just white with like simple grayish, bluish stripes. The material is very, very soft. It ties here at the waist. And then the matching top. So cute. And then it also has like a little tie that you can tie it up. The next up, I got this scarf. I actually bought it to wear it today because I was afraid that I was gonna get cold, but I didn't. It was only €6, really simple, but I like things like this. And I also got a pair of socks, brown ones and like an oatmeal type of color. Love that color scheme. I got this beautiful bag. Like, look at that. That is so cute. It has like a little strap. Look at this. I love pearls so much, so when I saw this I was like, you are coming with me. The next up, I got a few hair accessories. The first few are these hair clips. They're just easy for when I'm washing my hair. I always like to keep a few in my shower. Then I got this little scrunchie. Can't get enough of these scrunchies, but it has like a very cute detail in the middle that I thought was really cute. So I'm gonna put my hair in a bun and then let it fall over, and I think it's really cute and festive. And then I got two headbands. The first one has pearls, like I love. Really cute. And you can wear it like this. Oh my god, that's so cute. I'm gonna look like a winter princess. I love that. And then the second one also has pearls. What did I say? I love pearls. Like, it's a blue velvet material with the pearls in the middle. And I think this is also gonna look super cute. Especially like when I have my curly hair loose. I just love to pull my hair back with a headband like this and keep it out of my face. Then I also got this little cutting board from the Primark home department. It was only €6, and sometimes I have a big one, but sometimes you want to chop up something really fast, and then the big one, you need to wash it and all of that. And I think this one is just very nice to use in combination with the other one. So I had to get it, really happy with it. And it's just a pretty color. It's gonna look nice in the kitchen as well, very aesthetically pleasing with the one in the kitchen. I got 2 packs of lashes, the same lashes that I'm wearing right now, but I got 2 new ones. This, I like the style 3D Allure from Primark. They're €3 a piece. And I also got these makeup sponges because I really like them to set my powders. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap up this video here, this vlog. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Mwah!
A collision of decisions whirling in my heart and my vision.